I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's La Rosa. Check out this SmartDevil 3-pack screen protector for your iPhones. Guys, is this baby really smart? Let's see. Can this $5 a piece, technically $12.99 for 3 packs, protect my how many $100 iPhone? Let's check it out for reals. This is actually for iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 14. In my case, iPhone 14. Film installation kit. Of course, you're gonna clean your screen. Did I hear you say time it, time it, time it, time it? Okay. Ready? Let's go. Okay, a heads up. See, cover and pull, stick so cool. Look at that. Just look at that. Within how many seconds? 13 seconds. 13 seconds, guys. Let's actually check this out. Look. Faster than you can breathe. Faster than you can think of. Because it's already here. I want to break something. I want to break something. I want to break something. Yep. Pour some oil. Comes right off. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Very fast responsiveness, very quick. And guess what? No fingerprints whatsoever. Fingerprint proof, waterproof. You guys, thank you so much, SmartDevil. 9H Hardness. Check out the full description in my description box. I'm going to put the link. The link is in there, you guys. Check them out. Let's install the second one blindfolded. There you go. Cover and pull. It's so cool. Yeah. I want to break something. I want to break something. I want to break. Yep. This devil is smart. I love it. Thank you so much, SmartDevil. Thank you.